What if your rooftop could quietly erase your electricity bills? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best residential solar panels that bring power, savings, and peace of mind. Stay till the end to find your perfect match and check the links in the description to choose the right one for your home. At number 5 is Callsun 200 Watt. Most people discover solar too late, right after another painful electricity bill arrives. That's where the Callsun 200 Watt changes the conversation. In the world of top 5 best residential solar panels, real performance matters more than flashy promises. This panel uses advanced N-type 16BB cells with up to 25% efficiency, helping homeowners squeeze more power from limited roof space while bifacial technology captures sunlight from both sides for up to 30% more output. Shade is another silent enemy, and Callsun's twin-cell anti-shade design keeps one half producing even if the other is blocked by trees or walls, something many buyers regret ignoring. Compared to other panels, Callsun often feels like the better value per watt, though still carries stronger brand familiarity. The downside? It's durable, but shipping damage and handling weight can be concerns. Still, for long-term savings, this feels less like buying a panel and more like reclaiming control over your monthly bills. At number 4 is Renogy ShadowFlux. One stubborn shadow can turn an expensive solar setup into a daily disappointment, but Renogy ShadowFlux was built for exactly that problem. In the search for top 5 best residential solar panels, buyers often worry about trees, walls, or cloudy corners stealing their power. This panel fights back with ShadowFlux anti-shading technology, delivering up to 85% more output in partial shade where standard panels struggle to keep charging. Its N-type 16BB cells reach 25% efficiency, giving stronger performance in heat, low light, and long summer days without the usual hotspot risks. Compared to standard PERC panels, it feels more dependable for imperfect rooftops. While it's compact, IP67 rated design adds durability for rain, dust, and snow. The downside is price. It costs more upfront. Still, that extra cost often feels smaller than years of lost power and constant frustration. On number 3 is eco-worthy 195 Watt. Most people don't realize their roof is losing power long before the first electric bill proves it. That's where the eco-worthy 195 Watt steps in with quiet brilliance. In the search for top 5 best residential solar panels, buyers often struggle with heat loss, weak winter output, and panels that fade too soon. This one answers differently. Its N-type 18BB cells push 25% efficiency while handling high temperatures with less performance drop, and the bifacial design captures sunlight from both sides for nearly 15% more daily energy, over 100 watt-hour extra under good conditions. Installation feels refreshingly simple with pre-drilled holes, even for beginners. Compared to a standard single-sided panel, it offers better long-term value, especially on reflective rooftops. The downside? To unlock full bifacial gains, placement matters more. Still, this panel feels less like hardware and more like giving your home a second chance to save. At number 2 is ALLPOWERS SP037. Some power bills don't whisper, they scream. That's when the ALLPOWERS SP037 starts making real sense. In the world of top 5 best residential solar panels, many buyers struggle between strong output and everyday practicality. They want serious power, but not a system that feels impossible to move or manage. The SP037 delivers a bold 400-watt output with 22% conversion efficiency, turning sunlight into dependable energy even on cloudy days, while its foldable 5-panel design make storage far less stressful. Its IP67 waterproof build and durable ETFA coating add relief for people worried about rain, dust, or harsh summer heat. Compared to rigid rooftop panels, it offers better portability, though fixed panels usually win on permanent home installation. The downside? At over 40 pounds, it's not exactly light. Still, unfolding this panel feels like opening a backup plan your future self will thank you for. Now moving to the last one is Renogy 320 Watt. Most people don't notice wasted solar space until the bill arrives and the roof feels like a missed opportunity. That's where the Renogy 320 Watt changes the story. In the search for top 5 best residential solar panels, buyers want stronger output without turning installation into a headache. This panel delivers 20 watts more than standard 300-watt models, helping produce more daily energy while using less roof space. Its N-type 18BB cells push up to 25% efficiency, reducing hotspots and microcracks for longer-lasting performance, while the IP68 rated build stands strong against rain, snow, and summer heat. Compared to smaller panels, it offers better long-term value for home systems, though the upfront cost and heavier size may not suit every setup. Still, this feels less like adding hardware and more like finally making your rooftop work for you. The clear winner is Renogy 320 Watt. Why? Because it gives the strongest balance of power, durability, and long-term savings. With higher output than 200-watt panels, up to 25% efficiency, N-type 18BB cells, and IP68 weather protection, it produces more daily energy while using less roof space. It's built for serious residential use, not just backup power. While ALLPOWERS is portable and ShadowFlux handles shade well, Renogy 320 Watt offers the best full home value and stronger return over time. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best residential solar panels. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.